Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning to everyone. I welcome you in the social class for the 5th standard. And as we have seen learning about the continents and oceans, and first continent we have seen about the Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world, and coming to the second continent, that is Africa. AFRICA, Africa. See, Africa is the second largest continent in the world, and this vast land is home to a variety of wildlife. See, as Asia is the second largest continent and it is a variety, we are having a different type of wildlife in this continent, and this continent is surrounded by water. Africa is surrounded by a water on the north, north, Mediterranean Sea is there. Mediterranean, Mediterranean Sea on the west, and south is the Atlantic Ocean, Atlantic, Atlantic Ocean, and on the east are the Indian Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Red Sea, and so on the north we are having Mediterranean Sea, and south we are having Atlantic Ocean, east side we are having Indian Ocean, and Red Sea is also there. And Mount, Mount Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro, Kilimanjaro in Tanzania, Tanzania, Tanzania. Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount is mountain Kilimanjaro in Tanzania is the highest mountain in Africa. Now Sahara, Sahara, Sahara is the largest desert of the world, which is located in Africa. And the Nile, Nile is the longest river, are located in Africa, and the Sahara is almost as large as the entire continent of Europe. And recent discovery shows that human beings first appeared in Africa and then moved out to all the other continents of the world. For these reasons, Africa is sometimes called the cradle of humanity also. And coming to the next continent, that is third continent, North America, North, America, America, North America. See, North America is the third largest continent in the world, and this continent contains one of the wealthiest, wealthiest and technologically, technologically, advanced nations, advanced nations. Nation is nothing but a country, okay, and that forms a part of this continent is Canada. And in North America, continent is vast with very beautiful areas and include high mountains like Rockies, Rockies, and huge lakes like the Great Lakes, Great Lakes. Great Lakes are a collection of 5 lakes located in European part of North America, as and bordered between Canada and the United States, and they form the largest group of freshwater and lakes on the earth. And in North America, they are the natural wonders is a Yellowstone National Park. Like this is the world's first national park, and Yellowstone is known for its scenic beauty, its hot spring, and its protected wildlife also. Coming to the fourth continent, that is South America, South America, South, America, South America. South America is the fourth largest continent in the world, and this continent is famous for its biodiversity. Biodiversity is nothing but it is variety of living things. Biodiversity, Biodiversity. Biodiversity means variety of living things. And the Amazon rainforest, the Amazon rainforest of South America are the largest and densest forest in the world. And These forests are home to a large and diverse variety, diverse, diverse variety, number of living creatures, and only a tiny fraction of living things in the Amazon rainforest have been identified. And after the Nile, the Amazon River is in South America is the second longest river in the world. The Amazon River is the second longest river in the world, and the Amazon is by the far largest river in terms of the amount of water also. Coming to the fifth continent, that is Antarctica. Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent in the world, and it is a frozen land covered with ice, and that's why they did not have any permanent human residents. Resident is nothing but people living in a country, so there are no people live in a country there. And however, these seas around the continent are home to a large number of seals, penguins, penguins like this, and seabirds and whales. So the frozen Antarctic ice cap represents the largest source of fresh water available in the world, and Antarctica is the driest continent in the world. Coming to the sixth continent, that is Europe. Europe. Europe is the sixth largest continent in the size and contains many technologically advanced nations in that. And in this country is generally small. That is why the river Danube, Danube, the second largest river in Europe, flows through 12 countries and its 3,000-kilometer journey. So this continent is bordered in the south by the Mediterranean Sea. This is a region where three continents, Asia, Africa, and Europe, meet each other. Coming to the seventh continent, that is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent and have a special characteristics. It is only a continent which is called as island also, and island is nothing but from four sides if the water is covered, that is an island, and it is also the only continent which contains a single country. And the Great Barrier Reef, Great BARRIER, Barrier RWF Reef, the Great Barrier Reef, and the Great Australian Desert, two important geographical features of Australia. And this is the Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef on the earth, and this is a site of favorite tourist attraction also, and it is also protected by marine environment. Related to the marine is nothing but related to the ocean. Okay, so most of the people in Australia live in the southern west and southeast Tips continent, where the climate is mild. The remaining part of the continent is mostly a dry and desert, and a great Australian outback. So till here we will stop, students, and the continuation like about oceans we will read in the next video. Thank you and bye bye.